Eat healthy, stay healthy. If your trainer hypes a lot about the power of whey protein to build muscles, consider these facts. 1. Muscle building. Your muscles don't care if the amino acids come from whey or soy. They are not picky eaters like your kids. Just feed them enough amino acids. Second is absorption. Whey digests very fast and create hunger and craving for carbs. This will make you fat. On the other hand, soy digests very slow and gives you a satiety feeling and helps you to burn your fats. 3. Muscle recovery. Since muscle repair takes 24 to 48 hours, faster absorption is like sprinting to your bed before sleep. Pointless. 4. Effectiveness. Research shows that whey and soy deliver similar gains. Ditching the pricey whey keeps your wallet as thick as your biceps. Heart health. Unlike whey, soy lowers the LDL and improves your heart health. Strong muscles need a strong heart too. But next time your trainer insists for whey, ask why not soy. And remember, only thing that should be ripped is your muscles, not your wallet. Eat healthy, stay healthy.